Cash App blocks sending money when your account, payment method or transaction looks risky or cannot be verified in real time. By the end, you'll know the exact reasons Cash App stops payments, what each error means, and the fastest fixes that usually restore sending ability. Start with the most common cause. Cash App often blocks sending money when your linked bank or card fails verification. That means Cash App cannot confirm that your payment method has enough funds or is allowed to process the transaction. Now explain what that means. The transfer does not go through even if your balance looks correct in the app. The Cash App needs confirmation from your bank before approving the send. Now explain in another major reason. Account security flags can stop payments instantly. Cash App uses automated systems to detect unusual activity patterns. Now explain what triggers it. Logging in from a new device, sending larger amounts than usual, or multiple failed attempts can all trigger a temporary block. Now explain another cause. Your account may have incomplete verification. If your identity details are not fully confirmed, Cash App can limit sending features. Now, explain recipient issues. Sometimes the problem is not your account. If the recipient is restricted, closed, or has payment limits, the transfer will fail. Now, explain the first fix step. Open Cash App and go to the Activity tab. Tap the failed payment and read the error message carefully. Now explain the second fix step. Check your linked bank account or card and confirm it is active and funded. If needed, remove and re-add the payment method to refresh verification. Now explain the third fix step. Update Cash App to the latest version. Older versions can cause sending errors or prevent proper transaction processing. Now explain the fourth fix step. Wait if Cash App is running a security review. Some blocks are temporary and lift automatically after verification completes. Now, explain a key mistake. Repeatedly trying to resend the same payment can extend the block period instead of fixing it. Now, summarize the core idea. Cash App not letting you send money usually comes down to verification issues, security flags, or payment method problems. Most fixes involve checking the Activity tab, confirming payment details, and updating the app. And some restrictions clear automatically after security checks finish. One practical next step. Always check the exact error message first, because it tells you whether the issue is your account, your payment method, or the recipient. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear Cash App fixes without confusion.